Hello, everyone. I'm tax attorney Vladislav Grant, and today we're diving into a very hot topic that's making waves in the tax and compliance world. Now, you likely had seen many headlines by now that the Supreme Court has lifted the nationwide injunction in a case which challenges the constitutionality of the beneficial ownership information reports, mostly known in the world as the BOI reports. If you're a business owner, this is something you must pay attention to as this is directly affecting your business and potentially your freedom. So let me give you a little background. In case for those that are unaware, BOI report is a report that is requiring businesses to disclose their beneficial owners. That particular law actually affects over 32 million small business owners. And if enforced, the penalties for non-compliance can be very steep, with fines over $10,000 and even 2 years in prison. So the enforcement of BOI reporting requirements was originally set to take effect in early 2025 under the Corporate Transparency Act, which passed a long time ago. Now, it is currently on hold due to the ongoing legal challenges, and that is something that you need to know. If this is something you want to take away from this video, that you still have this particular law on hold and you don't have to file the BOI report. Now, one of the recent developments in this particular legal process is that the Supreme Court has recently placed a stay on the injunction in the Texas Top Cop Shop, Texas Top Cop Shop Inc. versus Garland, meaning that the injunction that initially placed a hold on the FinCEN enforcing the BOI report filing requirement is no longer active, meaning that technically FinCEN, if this was the only case, could have actually started enforcing the deadlines on the filing requirements. Now, this particular headline will likely promote a lot of promoters of the BOI reporting filing services, spreading more fear to the business owners about the filing requirements. However, this case is not yet determined on the merits for the constitutionality. So it has to go back to the lower standing courts to determine whether or not the particular facts and particular legal arguments hold any water. And then it might still come back to the Supreme Court for the final determination on constitutionality. The only thing that has been lifted right now is the nationwide injunction. However, to put your hearts at ease, you need to be aware of a separate injunction preventing the enforcement of the BOI reports in the Samantha Smith Robert Means versus U.S. Department and Treasury case. In this case, the injunction is still in place, essentially making the filing of the BOI reports still completely voluntary for now. Now, if you're one of the people who wants to just comply with the law and just be done with it and not worry, sure, you can go to the FinCEN website and file the BOI report. It's relatively simple. You just need to disclose the beneficial owners of the business, and some people might want to do that. However, those people who value their rights and want to challenge this particular law on the basis of constitutionality, it means that we're still in a legal gray area. So at the moment, there is no enforcement. There is a stay on this particular law, and the Financial Crimes and Enforcement Network, known as the FinCEN, hasn't clarified its stance whether or not it's going to actually ignore the Samantha Smith injunction, which would be against the court orders, and start enforcing this particular law on the business owners. But the businesses are left behind wondering if they really need to comply or if they want to wait. Now, for many of my clients, I say wait. You don't have to comply at the moment. And if you don't have to comply, that means that is the best thing you can possibly do. My mission here is to help you be aware of any developments that come about from these two cases. Thus, my team and I were tracking the developments in these cases very closely. Once there's any new developments, you will know right away. And if you have any legal compliance, tax, or accounting questions, please feel free to schedule a 15-minute consultation by visiting the www.grant-tax.com website or calling me directly at 561-858-1288. Call us and we will help you pass through any challenges that you might have on the compliance, legal, or tax world in 2025. Now, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your fellow taxpayer. Put thumbs up on this video if you liked it. And remember, we are here to help you thrive in 2025. Vladislav Grant, signing off.